Welcome to Tech Tether. How to install and activate your Xfinity Gateway. Launch the Xfinity app and sign in using your Xfinity ID and password. Select Get Started to begin the process of setting up your gateway. The Xfinity app will then take you through the necessary steps to set up your gateway and activate your Xfinity Internet and/or Xfinity Voice service. To maximize your Wi-Fi coverage, avoid cramped spaces and make sure your gateway is placed at least a few feet off the floor. Once you've found the best spot for your gateway, follow the instructions to connect the coaxial cable to your gateway and active cable outlet. Make sure this connection is finger tight. If you have a single light on your gateway, your device will be ready to activate when it turns white and is either solid or blinking. If you have multiple lights on your gateway, your device will be ready to activate when the top 3 lights are solid. Select Ready to Go to continue. Now that your gateway is powered up, select Check Connection to check if your cable outlet is active. If an active outlet is detected, you can proceed with personalizing your home Wi-Fi network name and password. Enter a Wi-Fi name and password that is easy to remember and secure. If the cable outlet is not active, you can select Try another outlet and repeat steps 5 and 6 with a different outlet in your home. If there are no other outlets to try, select I don't have another outlet so we can help schedule a technician visit. Confirm the Wi-Fi name and password you entered. Select Confirm and finish up. Once your gateway is activated, you'll need to connect to your new Wi-Fi network. Choose to either auto or manually connect the mobile device you're using. Thanks for watching.